Hey, what's up, you guys? Good morning. All right, here we are the next morning after picking it up. Got our temp tag on there. Oh my goodness. Lisa's going to town in here. Yep, we are remodeling the camper. Be right back. Okay, so what are you doing?
All right, so I have taken off all the cornice boards they had.
Yeah, we saw those. We saw those laying on the sidewalk.
Yeah, there's. This is what they look like. So this is the last one I've got to unscrew. Got all those taken off. Leaving the blinds up there for right now, so we have some privacy. Thank you. But those will probably go eventually. I am working on taking all these drape things down because they have them out so far. The poles themselves aren't too bad, but we gotta get rid of that block and everything else. And taking things off of the walls, like especially in the bathroom and the bathroom door. So right now I'm just taking stuff down, taking stuff off.
Yeah, we are going to. Yeah, this. Even though I don't mind it, it's kind of good good feeling. But yeah, we're gonna start here in the bathroom. Mirrors coming off. We're gonna put like a medicine cabinet in there. The clock, and she's gonna paint. I don't know if you guys remember this. It's like bumpy. But anyway, before we leave town, we're gonna get the bathroom done. What else you doing?
That's the start right now. Once all that gets done, then I'm gonna have to start sanding the bathroom, filling holes and sanding, and then we'll get into the painting and the primer and the painting. But right now, it's just getting everything off, probably filling holes, sanding everything, sanding the bathroom down.
Okay.
And then painting.
All right, we will check back in with you a little later.
Alrighty, I'm not going anywhere.
All right, you guys, I'll be right back. Hey, okay, you guys, we got quite a bit done today. It's got a bunch of stuff hauled out of there, and see that thing's off there. The door's gonna be refinished. But we decided, here, let me show you the bathroom too. Oh, there's Lisa. We got everything off the walls. We're getting prepared to, we're gonna sand, or and paint this. And so it's gonna look normal again. But we decided, back over here. We decided we're not sure we want to keep this mattress, so we decided the only way to test that out is we're going to sleep in it tonight. We're going to sleep in the camper right here in the street tonight, and determine if we want to keep this mattress or keep the one that we have that we currently sleep in. So anyway, yeah, the slides are going to stay in. Yeah, we've been working today. All the little holes from everything that was removed. We got spackle on. This is all going to be painted. We're going to put new flooring in. So, yeah, we'll let you know how that goes. See you in the morning. Or maybe before, if something weird happens. Okay, you guys. Yeah, we are getting this thing prepared. A couple of things. I put a couple of levels on there. Real difficult, huh? But yeah, we've been working in here too. Oh, I'm supposed to be working in here.
Taking a break. My arms are tired.
I gotcha. No. So
everything is sanded. Bathroom was wiped down, and bedroom was wiped down, and actually I'm as far as the kitchen to wipe everything down.
Awesome.
Cabinets and everything. So.
Awesome. And the bed was comfortable last night, wasn't it?
It was. And actually, I decided I'm looking for new doorknob pulls. Cupboard pulls. So I'm trying to update the cupboard pulls, so I'm just looking on my break.
All right, keep it to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going to show them
what paying me?
What we've been doing.
Yeah, you paying me? I'll keep it to 15.
Yeah. But got the walls all smoothed down pretty good. This is going to be a white or an off-white in here. Boy, I can't even believe somebody would do this, you know. But anyway, and the bedroom is going to be painted. Now we're just going to do the bathroom before we leave, which I think I told you guys already. But once we get up to the Midwest, where we're going to hang out for a little bit, then but anyway, yeah, we're getting her done. Okay, let's see what's going on this morning. There's not a whole lot of room to fit in there, so there we go with the painting. Some primer. Okay. See how the progress is going in the bathroom. There's just not enough room for both of us, and she likes to do this. So let's go see what's going on. Oh wow! Look at this. Hey, what's up, you guys? I am not going to spend the next how many years cranking that jack. So we're going to put this on this Ram 3500 electric frame jack right there. So okay, this should be pretty easy, but it seems like lately I've been running into bumps wherever I try to do. So anyway, just these 3 bolts. And they're just screwed into the frame. They do not have nuts. This was $159, or the electric one is $159 at State Trailer. You guys can look those up. And I'm sure you can find them for similar price at other places or online. I'll put a link in the description. Didn't have a foot on it when we bought it, so otherwise you'd have had to take that out, which I'm gonna have to take this foot off of the electric jack. Greasy. Wipe that off. Don't fall. Okay, and this has got an internal ground, so it's only going to take one wire going to the positive terminal on one of the batteries. So these star washers come to help complete the ground to the trailer. They go on here, and then this flat washer goes on top of it, and that star washer will cut into the paint to get so it's got direct metal to metal. It's supposed to be 15 to 20 foot-pounds torque. I got a pretty good feel for that. Okay.
How can you tell if you don't have a feel for it?
With a torque wrench. Just go really, just go tight, and then just a little more. Okay, now the ring or eyelet or whatever you call it to go to the battery. I don't have the right size, so I'm gonna have to go get an eyelet, and we'll finish the video then. It's got a groove right here. Probably hard to see, but okay, you guys, I went and bought the right ring terminal. That's what they're called, ring terminal. It's been a while since I've messed with those, but you see, I just let the wire go down here, down in front of the propane tanks, and I zip tied it there to that positive line coming up to right here. So now we got to put that ring terminal on and get this thing working. There, that's easier. All right, there we go. Make sure everything's off. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, it's a light. Boom. Cast light down for you. And let's. Very cool. We don't need to go down any further. Oh, that's gonna make life so much easier. So anyway, appreciate you guys. Love each and every one of you. I'm gonna have that Ram 3500 in the description if you want to buy one, or anything else you might need from Amazon. But yeah, that's gonna make life so much easier. God bless. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share this with somebody like-minded person. See you next weekend. Bye.